Hey loves, welcome back to Rimmel's channel. It is your girl Katrina, also known as Princess K, and today I'm going to be taking a daytime look and transforming it into this beautiful nighttime look. So if you want to see how we achieve this, then go ahead and keep on watching. So for both of these looks, I'm going to be using the Magnifies Color Edition palette. And so since we are doing a day look, this is going to be something really simple, something that is easy to wear, and we're just going to use like 2 colors out of this palette. So for our first transition color and kind of just the base color of this look, we are going to be using the mauve shade in the middle. Now taking a smaller brush, we're going to go in that same color and work that on our bottom lash line. So this last color that we are going to be using is this champagne pink shade. To intensify this color, we are actually going to be using the warmth of our finger just to make sure that it stands out and it's really, really intense. I'm going to be using the Scandaleyes Wow Wings mascara. So what's cool about this mascara is that there's 2 sides. So there's a top side that has a flare to it, and then there's a bottom side that is going to add some volume to your lashes, and I'll be using that later on in the nighttime look. So to finish off this look, we are going to be doing a cute gloss. We are going to be using the Stay Glossy lip gloss in Captivate Me. So now that we have our daytime look, it's time to spice it up and get ready for nighttime. We are going to be taking this plum shade at the end of the palette. And we are also going to take that same color on our bottom lash line and smoke it out. So now we are going to add some liner. We are going to use the Wonder Wing eyeliner in the color black. So to intensify this eyeliner look, we're going to be using the Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow in the color Crave Me. I love this liner because it's perfect for your nighttime look. It is going to last you up to 10 hours. It is transfer proof, smudge proof, and touch proof, so it's not going anywhere all night long. So now it's time to switch this lip and make it just a little bit more dramatic. We are going to be using the Stay Matte liquid lipstick in the color Midnight. So I showed you a daytime look and then intensified it and turned it into a nighttime look using the Magnifies Color Edition palette. I love how Rimmel made this palette really versatile to just go from a simple everyday daytime look and then take a couple colors and go into that really dramatic nighttime look. I love that I was able to use the liners to give it a little bit more sass and add some dimension with the double liner that I have on, and then I just finished the look off with a nice plum, beautiful lip color. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know what look you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to Rimmel's channel and check out my channel at Princess K. Thank you so much for watching, you guys.